Hi friends, I'm Vicki from my little Colorado cottage, and today I'm out in my garden. Things are still growing. We didn't have our frost that we should have had about the second week of September, so I do have everything set up so that if I do have to cover things, it won't break up the plants or anything. I'm here today to show you quite a few things that I have thrifted over the last couple of weeks and show you how I have them styled in my early fall decor. Okay friends, we're down here in my den and I wanted to show you a few new items that I found out thrifting. Um, I have these juice jugs. I got 5 in a box for $1. They did not have labels on them. I found these labels on the internet. I think the graphicfairy.com, downloaded them and just glued them on the bottle. Here's another little print that I got from the same site. A classroom. The students, probably 50s, I'm thinking. We've got some of my sunflowers that I have dried and using them in my decor right now, and then I'll be using the seeds later. Make my own sunflower seeds. I brought back this picture of probably my largest sunflower I've grown. That was 2 years ago. This year, I don't know if it was just the weather or what, but these dried sunflowers that I have were about the largest that I received this year. Just added some florals, brought back a similar swag that I did last year. Here's another jug with a label. I have my school chalkboards. This rooster is a new find. I got a pair of them for $5. The faux fruit this year, because my apple tree is a every other producing tree, so I didn't have any apples this year, but I did come across a bag of about 2 dozen pieces of fruit at the thrift store, and thought that was a really good deal, and had the variety colors and sizes of apples. It had some grapes, banana, lemons, pears in it. I've also incorporated doilies and hankies with the crocheted trim. This garland was kind of a surprise I found at the Dollar Tree. I have 5 strands of it here. Of course, I'm still liking the black and white checks. I think that just adds a little bit of interest. Here's the other rooster. It has a sticker that says Japan, but I couldn't find any more about it to know what who the maker was. I did add some pheasant feathers. I'm always on the lookout for pheasant feathers. These actually came from South Dakota. I have some grandkids that live up there, and when they see any, they save them for Grandma. Here is a DIY crow. If you want to see how I did it, I have it on a blog post. I'll try to have that listed below. Here's a new find, this little picture with the little flowers on it. I did actually get it home without breaking it. My other one, if you remember, I got it home, had such a great deal on it, and when I got it home, the handle had broke on it. And here's just some more dried flowers, sunflowers, an old vintage storybook. Up here on my clipboard is a crochet pattern book with the sunflowers. It was in a box of, I got a big box of just craft books, embroidery and crocheting. So I just kind of pull those out for the different seasons of the colors there. Here's another vintage chalkboard, marked Italy on it. And then another juice jug with some more of, the flow flowers. But I've got another one of my dried sunflowers there. I'll pull you back here so you can kind of get kind of an overview. Without getting too wobbly. And of course I just, have bookcases on either side, and on this side I've got my entertainment radio, 8-track, cassette player. And then down here, because our weather's been so nice, we haven't had to fire up the stove, but I usually have this bushel basket here full of pine cones, which there's some in there. But I thought I would add some of just the DIY pumpkin. They're Dollar Tree pumpkins, but I just added the stems. These yellow gourds are something new at Dollar Tree, or at my Dollar Tree. They were orange. I painted them yellow. There's some more of those apples, and the pear there from that bag. And over on this side, is my coal bucket that also houses pine cones, but I added some more of the pumpkins and gourds and the apples. There's kind of a pomegranate, I think, in there. So I just want to thank you for stopping by and checking out what I've been up to. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be probably doing a little bit more fall decorating in the next couple of weeks. And so until then, next time, this is Vicki from My Little Colorado Cottage. Bye.